Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by SmokinSteve's today. We're not going to be grilling up anything or smoking anything up out there on the grill today. We're going to get that Ninja Creami fired up and we're going to make some lemon ice cream. That's right, lemon ice cream. Who doesn't like lemon ice cream? After a meal or something, you have that little bowl of lemon ice cream, cleans that palate out. It's so good. And we saw this recipe for lemon ice cream and we thought we'd give it a try and see how it turns out. So if it turns out, you're going to know about it and you can try it too. So let's go ahead and get started, get this mix going, get it in the freezer, and then we'll make that ice cream tomorrow. So let me show you what we're going to use. Okay guys, got my container out, got my label written on, lemon. I don't know about you guys, but I get a little ice cream out there in the freezer and I don't know what's what. I guess you could guess by color, but I like these little permanent marker labels that you can erase and reuse them, and they don't wash off. They're nice. I have a link for those if you want to pick some up. You can price them out or whatever. They're really cheap. But anyway, I'm going to show you the secret weapon we're using today. We're going to be using this single serving lemonade mix, and we're going to be throwing 2 of these in the container here, and I'll show you what else we're going to do. Okay, in goes our lemonade mix. Putting in 2 packs, 2 single serving packs, and then what we're going to do, I got some water here. We're just going to add some water. We're going to fill that up halfway with water. About right there. And then we're going to give that a mix. Okay, grab this little gem here out of the drawer, a little old whisk. We'll give that a swirl or 2. Get that mixed up. Try to get all that granular lemonade all mixed up and dissolved. Then we're going to fill her up with half and half. So we use the lemonade mix, half water, and half and half. So we're going to go ahead and pour this into the full line. Right about there. We'll go ahead and whisk all that too. That'll be good. And that's all there is to our mix. We'll get this guy covered up, get it thrown in the freezer, and be sure to hang around because we're going to be doing a taste test after we get that made. And I'll let you know how it turns out. If we need to make any adjustments, maybe I can share that with you as well. So let's get this guy in the freezer and we'll come back tomorrow and make us some ice cream. Okay, that lemon mix has been in the freezer for 24 hours. We got her pulled out. We got our Ninja Creami Deluxe sitting right here. We're going to turn this frozen gem into ice cream. So let's get this thing fired up and we'll show you what we got to do. Okay, here's our Ninja Creami Deluxe. And right here is the star of the show, what soon will be lemon ice cream. And I don't know whether you can see it or not, but there's a little bit of a lump right here, a little raised section. And we're going to have to scrape that down and get that level. Now I have heard if you put that in the freezer with the lid off that you won't get that hump. So if you've done that with the lid off and had good experience with that, getting the hump, let me know in the comment section. But I'm gonna get a spoon, scrape that out, get that all level, then we'll be putting it in the Ninja. Okay, we got that hump all broken down and scraped down, pretty much level there now. And we got our container in our outer container. So let's get our lid put on there. Just like so. Slide that guy in, give it a twist, power on, and we got to select the option here, either top, full, or bottom. And in this case, we got a full container, so we want to select full. And we're got it set on ice cream right here, so we're ready to go. And it says it's going to take 2 minutes. So let's get this thing started up. We'll check back on it in a couple minutes. Okay, it's just getting ready to finish up here. We'll take it out, take a look at it, and more than likely we'll have to respin it. Normally when you respin, you have to add a little milk to it once in a while to get it creamy and get it the right consistency, but we'll see what it looks like and go from there. So let's get it pulled out. Get this container out of here. There's a button over here on the left. You just push that, give it a twist, and out she comes. So let's take a peek, see what she looks like. Let me grab a spoon here. First glance, it just looks like powder. So oh, that's not too bad at all, really. But we're going to do a respin on it and go from there. Get that lid put back on, put her in, give her a twist, select full, set respin, and off she goes for 2 more minutes. Okay, the respin just finished up. Let's pull her out. Check it again. A little powdery. Okay guys, before we do that respin, we're going to add a little half and half in there. This is what we used in our original mix. So we're going to just add a little splash or two of that and get that kind of creamy. Button that guy up, put him back in there, give him a twist, select full, hit respin, and we'll see how she turns out. Okay, that respin just finished up. Let's get him pulled out. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and creamy. Let's go ahead and get some of that bowled up. And I'll be doing the taste test. Look how creamy that looks. Huh? Nice, creamy lemon. Let's get some of this bowled up here. Look at this. Yum, yum. Oh my. Oh boy. We're going to do a taste test. I'm going to let you know how it is. Look at that. Let you know if we got to add anything. Now keep in mind this is a deluxe and it's a little bigger container. But look at this. That's amazing. Only one thing left. That's the taste test. Okay. Here we go. Oh, that texture is awesome. Got me a little bite right here. We're going in. really good. That texture's awesome. Nice and cold, nice and creamy, nice and lemony. This is pretty good the way it is. Now if you have a smaller container and use the 2 packets of lemonade mix, it's going to have a little more lemon flavor, which would be good. This could maybe use a little bit more lemon flavor, but it's still good the way it is. So maybe if you got a big container, maybe you want to use 2.5 of those little packets instead of just 2, depending on your taste. But the way it is right now with 2, it's really good. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell. And share the video with some of your friends. And if you got any ideas on ice cream or a different recipe for the lemon or different methods, go ahead and share those in the comments. Let me know. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.